In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite not launching on your Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I want to present multiple easy to follow steps to help you address any issues that you are having with Fortnite not opening on an Xbox console. So first, I'm gonna teach you general steps that you can do on all Xbox consoles. This includes Xbox One and Xbox Series S or X. So first, find Fortnite on the list of games that you have. In there, select Fortnite and go over to the option to manage files and the game. In there, you will be able to see two relevant things. The first one are any pending updates. It's very important that you always install the latest version of Fortnite because if you don't have the latest version of the game and you have pending updates, you will not be allowed in. Everyone needs to have the latest version of the game installed. If you notice that under updates it says 0 items, then you don't have to worry. You should have the latest version of the game already. The other option that you have is to go into save data and clear the save data. Usually, when you install any updates, they will go through without any issues and all of the files will be acquired properly. But sometimes you might get corrupted files or the update isn't installed properly. So by clearing the save data and then reinstalling the update, you will be good to go. If this still doesn't work, then what I would recommend is that you check to see if the actual servers for Fortnite are down, and you can do this on the Xbox or Epic Games website where you can find the status of the servers, and if you notice that they are up and the problem is on your end, you can try switching networks as well. But usually, if you cannot even get to the login window, then the problem is indeed attributed to the installation of the game on your console. What I would recommend in that case is for you to uninstall the game completely and then re-download it. This is going to make sure that you acquire all of the files again and that none of them are corrupted or missing. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite not launching on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.